Hi guys, it's an amazing tutor blessing. Welcome back to my channel. An amazing subscriber sent in an assignment today on descriptive statistics, and so let's do that together now. The following observations are marks of 50 students in statistics course. These are the marks of the students. Questions are: construct a frequency distribution for the above data using 7 classes, starting with the lowest mark. The first thing to do is to arrange this data set either in ascending order or descending order. This table shows the arrangement of the data set from the least number 43 to the highest number 98. Let's go back to the question now. The question says, construct a frequency distribution table. Basically, frequency distribution is a way of summarizing or grouping large masses of data into classes to determine the number of individuals belonging to each class, called the class frequency. So this is what a frequency distribution table looks like, where we have the class interval, the frequency, the midpoint, and so on and so forth. So we're going to construct this table based on the data values we are given. We are asked to start with the least number, and of course the least number we have 43 here. But remember, the instruction was to construct this using 7 classes, right? After 43, the next value will be 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. When we count, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What this basically means is that we have from 43 to 50. Next is to determine the frequency. Frequency simply means the number of occurrence. So we'll look at how many times these values occur on our table. So we'll have 43, 1, 2, 3. So the frequency of 43 to 50 is 3. Midpoint simply means the lower class limit being 43 here plus the upper class limit being 50 divided by 2. 43 plus 50 gives us 93 divided by 2 gives 46.6. FS column simply means frequency multiplied by midpoint. 3 times 46.6. CF simply means cumulative frequency. First frequency here, we have 3. We'll record that here. For the first class interval, we have from 43 to 50. We count how many numbers here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So subsequently, we'll add 8 to each of these numbers to get the class interval. We did say adding 8, right? So we have 50 plus 8, we have 58, 51 plus 8, 58 plus 8, 59 plus 8, 66 plus 8, 67 plus 8, 74 plus 8, 75 plus 8 gives 82 plus 8, 83 plus 8, 90 plus 8 gives the frequency of 51 to 58. 1, 2, 3, 59 to 66, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 67 to 74, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? 75 to 82, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 83 to 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 91 to 98, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Midpoint for this class becomes 51 plus 58 divided by 2. 51 plus 58 gives 109 divided by 2, 54.5. We apply the same principle to get the rest of the midpoint. FS simply means frequency multiplied by midpoint. So here we have 3 times 54.5, 5 times 62.5. So we'll fill up the rest of the columns by applying the same principle. The first cumulative frequency we have here is 3. 3 plus 3. We have 6 plus 5, 11 plus 14, 25 plus 10, 35 plus 10, 45 plus 5, 50 here. Now let's get the summation of the frequency. 3 plus 3 plus 14 plus 10 plus 10, and lastly plus 5, 50. The value of summation F is equal to the total mass of the students. When you count all the mass here, it's equivalent to 50. So we succeeded in answering the first question. The second question says, from the table, calculate the sample mean, median, mode, and the standard deviation of the max. Calculating the mean of our group data has this formula: summation Fs over summation F. We have our Fs column here. This symbol means addition, so we're expected to add up this value for the Fs column, right? Here we go now. 139.5 plus 163.5 plus 312.5 plus 987 plus 785 plus 865 plus 472.5. 3725 divided by summation f. Our summation f value we got 50. 3725 divided by 50, 74.5. So the mean mass of the student is 74.5. Here is the formula to calculate the median of our group data. L1 stands for lower boundary of the median class and summation f over 2. We already know the value of summation f, then basically divided by 2. Cumulative frequency before the median class. F simply means frequency of the median class and I means the class width. The first thing to do here is to identify the median class. The median class is that class with cumulative frequency that is equal summation f over 2. Or we could say is that class with cumulative frequency that is equal half of the total frequency. Let's derive value for summation f over 2. The value of summation f we got 50 divided by 2 gives. So median class will be that class with cumulative frequency that is equal 25. Trace our cumulative frequency column, locate 25. So these are our median class. Following our formula, we have L1, lower class limit of the median class. Lower class limit is 67. Summation f over 2 will get 25. Cumulative frequency before the median class, we trace our cumulative frequency column. Cumulative frequency before the median class 11. Frequency of the median class, trace our frequency column. The frequency of the median class is 14. I simply means the class width. We could get that by subtracting the lower class limits of the class before from the lower class limits of the one after. 51 minus 43 gives us 8, or 58 minus 50 also gives us 8. We substitute all these values into our formula. Lower limit is 67 plus summation f over 2 we had 25 minus cumulative frequency before the median class we had 11 divided by frequency of the median class we got 14, then class width 8. Performing the basic simplification, 25 minus 11 over 14. So we have 67 plus 14 divided by 14 gives 1 times 8. 67 plus 1 times 8. 8 here. 67 plus 8. So 75 is the median mark of the students. Formula for calculating the mode of our group data. So first thing to do is to identify the modal class. Modal class is that class with the highest frequency of occurrence. Looking at our frequency column, the class with the highest frequency of occurrence is this. So this is our modal class. The formula for calculating the mode of our group data is lower class limit of the modal class plus frequency of the modal class minus frequency of the class before the modal class divided by frequency of the modal class minus frequency of the class before the modal class plus frequency of the modal class minus frequency of the class after the modal class times class width. So let's trade the values for each of these variables. Our L1 we did say is the lower class limit of the modal class, which is frequency of the modal class. The frequency is FB is the frequency before the modal class, which is 5. FA frequency after the modal class is 10. I we did say I is the class width. Remember we got 8. Now we substitute each of these values into our formula. Performing basic simplification here, 14 minus 5 gives us 9 over 14 minus 5 again, we have 9 here plus 14 minus 10, 4 times 8. We have 67 plus 9 over 9 plus 4, 13 times 8. 67 plus 9 divided by 13 gives approximately 0.7 times 8. 67 plus 0.7 times 8 gives us 5.6. So the mode of the student's mark is 72.6. Please stay tuned for the next video where we'll calculate the standard deviation of the mass. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.